Again, ladies and gentlemen, something you will not stumble across every day in your travels. So, if this is something you like the look of, now's your chance. Righto, gentlemen, I'm not afraid to ask here today. I'm not afraid to ask $400 for that. $400 for the old Vespa. 400, 350, 300 I've got. 300 I got. I didn't even get a start, mate. 50. 4, 50. 5, 50. 6, 50. 7, 50. 8, 50. 9, 50. 1,000. 50. No wonder I wasn't afraid to ask you that. 11. 50. 12, 50. 13, 50. 14, 50. 15, I'll take a little one now if it helps. $1,500, bid's on my right. Here's your chance. I will take tens from now. I will make my call. 1,500, will be bloody quick. $1,500, I can't hang and drag. $1,500. $1,500. I'll have to stand between you. I'm going to fly over here and knock him over. $1,500 I got. It's good. $1,500. I can't hang and drag, Joe. $1,500. $1,500. The bid's here on my left. $1,500 for the first. $1,500. $1,500. $1,500 for the second. $1,500 for the third and final time. $1,500. Congratulations. Thank you very much.